Hello, it's Flo, and today I want to show you the new custom ROM. This ROM has been created by the team Venom, and this is just the Viper ROM. So let's go to About to see what is this ROM, and this is the Viper 1S, this one version 1.0.0. So I am so grateful to show you that today, thanks to all the team of Venom. And I want to show you something about this one, because you have maybe seen that icons are different, and you can change that with all the tweaks. This is something special because you have something amazing. You can see maybe that this is as on the HTC One X, and you can find it on the HTC One S normally. And I have to show you two different icons there. This is the Venom tweaks right there. Excuse me, I want to show you that. Excuse me. Okay, so this is the Venom Hub there and the Venom tweaks there. These two different icons are so amazing for this ROM, and there is also the app installer right there. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to see what is Venom tweaks. This is the most amazing tweaks I have never seen on a phone as the HTC One S. So let's go to start with the About. On About we can thanks for G4 and H7 and Monarchs and Torx and ST1, 64 and X images and Datari, Patanas and Fisher, for example. And we can see other things on About for all this team. So thanks to them to have created this custom ROM. On the status bar we can see some different things. We have the quick settings. You can go to the status bar there and go to the quick settings right here. Okay, excuse me. There. You have a list of quick settings. You can change it and reorder it with the hidden reorder. You have a lot of white cross, and you can just uncross it to show everything there. And you can press OK to see that just there. And you have all your quicken settings. You can also just turn it off if you want, like that. Auto sync, like something like that, for example, and you can move that as you want. You can see this ROM is very smooth. You can just check or uncheck the quick and quit settings, this one. Then you can go to status bar theme support. On the status bar you have to change all the icons on the status bar right there. You have, for example, different theme pack. There I have downloaded 3 different themes: the Venom status bar, the Viper Green, and the Venom System UI. And I can use, for example, this one right there, and I have to press there to change it. We start status bar to apply changes. Let's go, and you have to see the new status bar right there. Yep. Yeah, okay, so you have it right here. Okay, so you can also change icons by icons. For example, let's go to battery and change this icon with one of other pack already downloaded, and you can get more right there. You press here and you have a lot of different packs to download. You can download all those packs and change icons by icons what you want on the status bar. Okay, so then you can hide specific notification icons. For example, you can hide the alarm icons, the Bluetooth icon, or others. Then you can go to battery options. This battery option, you can hide the icon. Here you have maybe seen I have hide the icon battery there. You can change the battery text style. I want to hide it, but you can change it for regular, for example, right here. You can show or hide the MIUI. You have maybe seen that. Okay, so I have to put it, and you can change the battery bar, MIUI bar, and you can just go to this side. So this is the battery left on your phone. So I have to put it like that, maybe like that. Okay. More. Yeah. Okay, you can also automatically color or have different color for manual color right here. Okay, so you have also the clock options. You can, for example, as me, change the color of the clock, but you can also change this the place, for example, normal, or hide the clock. So I prefer center. Okay, here. Okay, you can also change manual color, hide or not the AM and PM. Then you can go to custom status bar logo. This is to add an icon there, like this one, but I will show you that later with other icons. You can also change the transparency and change the brightness control by CM. What is it? This is only change the brightness by sliding on the status bar, like that. Okay, you can also hide date, you have career label, and you can change background color on the notification pull-down tweaks. You can also change the image, for example. I can choose maybe this one. Okay, and on the notification bar you have a new picture right here. Okay, let's do scroll down the okay, excuse me. Again, maybe. Okay, background, use image, and dialog tag. You know when you go to the recent tabs by this button. Okay, this is long press. You have the default recent tabs, but you can also change it with Android 4.0. You have to apply it there, and then you have, with a long press, the Android 4.0 recent tabs. Okay, so we have to wait the status bar there. Okay, so let's go. And there we have the Android 4.0 recent apps, and you can kill all the apps like that. Okay, then you can go to the Sense label right here. On Sense label we have this movie rosy tweaks, where you can change it with super or ultra smooth rosy. You can show the unlock animation. This is this one. You know, when you unlock the screen. Okay, no. This one, when you unlock the screen, you have this animation. So let's go to Venom tweaks there and Sense. You have the infinite scrolling. You know, this is you must follow reboot, so I don't want to reboot, so I don't want to show you right there, but this is when you can scroll the screen from the left part to the right part, just by like that, you know, and you are already on the right part. Okay, then you have no cancel Sense. Okay, you have a scrolling wallpaper. You know, this is when you can scroll all over the wallpaper, and you can change the icon pack. And you can do as for the status bar, download different pack from Get More, and you have different pack there. You can change it just by clicking there, and you have all different icons here. So let's go to show you that. Menu, Venom tweaks, and I have to go to Sense and change the icon pack. For example, I can use V28 blue and customize. Oh, customize is to change one by one all apps. For example, I want to change people. I have to click there, and I can change the app for people only. And you can do that for all the app there. So this is something amazing, and this is the most important tweaks I've never seen on the HTC One S. Also, you can increase the app drawer by 7:3 in landscape mode and 5:6 in portrait. Okay, you can also use a background image, and you have a HTC Clock widget. On HTC Clock widget, you can define an app to start when clicking for clock or for river, and you can change the transparent clock. On lock screen, you can change for AOSP lock screen like this one. You know, this is this one. This is an IOSP lock screen. You can change different things as IOSP incoming call workaround. Then you can change the appearance orientation. Excuse me. Then you have the block pull down and this block the notification pull down when the screen lock screen is activated. Okay, there is something amazing, and I have never seen that before on HTC, and this is just amazing. This is something for the buttons. Okay, so you have long press option. Configure the delay of long press. You can configure everything here, and you have capacitive backlight. So you can change it to you have this software menu, disable the 3-dot menu, you can do that, and you have you can change, you can remap, excuse me, all capacitive button. For example, log press home, you can turn screen off. I have done that, so you have just to have long press and the screen turn off. You have also to remap the home screen. For example, here if I press long press home screen, I must go to the camera. Okay, and let's go to camera. I have also remap something else. I can take a picture with the button volume up. Let's go. And you have maybe seen I have taken a picture. Just excuse me. Yeah, this is picture taken by with the volume up button. This is something amazing because you are always to search where is the button if you are not behind the screen, and you have just to press there and you take a picture. Okay, so you maybe have seen you can use the landscape mode too for using the screen, also for the drawer there. Okay, let's go to Venom Hub, Venom Tweaks again, and we are on Venom Tweaks one time more. Okay, so you can change everything about all buttons. For long press menu, recent, you have the volume camera button option. So as I say, for you, volume K music control. When the screen is off, you have to use the long press to skip tracks. For example, you can change everything, and this is what I said to you. Capacitive as camera button, choose capacitive K to take a picture, and volume up, use the volume plus button to take a picture. So this is something really amazing, and I think other devs have to use it later on their new tweaks. You have also miscellaneous tweaks. Okay, miscellaneous tweaks are for network settings. You have phone info, for example, MMS screen on, power menu items, and other things. I hide errors from the keyboard. I want to show you something else, and this is about where is it? Auto backlash, power menu items. Yes, this isn't here. This is on the Venom Hub. So Venom Hub is something as HTC Hub, but created only for this custom ROM. So let's go to the drawer there, and let's go to this app, Venom Hub here. On Venom Hub, you have all news to read about Venom Team and other. You have just to click there, and you can access to news. So the custom ROM has to be released tomorrow, so you can see that maybe for right now. You have also icon packs for Sense. You have already seen that on Venom Tweaks, and you can download it from here. Then you have the theme for status bar. This is always the same for the Venom Tweaks, but you have something new. This is logo for status bar, left corner, and the logo for notification pull down for operator. You have just to press status bar logo, for example, and let's go to load the 142 different logos. So this is speed, fast, and what you want, and you have to wait one minute, and let's go. You have all your different logos, and you can use it. For example, I come from Marseille, so this is for all French people. I want to use this one. Oh, operator logo has been changed. Okay, and it must be restarted the status bar notification, I think. Yes, and here is the 100 by 100 PNG picture here. This is my football team. Okay, then you have background. You can go there and you can change all the backgrounds. Okay, let's go to see that. You have different backgrounds, the bubbles, this one, up to our background, for example, set as. Okay, background, change it. Okay, and you have different fonts. You can also change different fonts with preview there on your phone if you want. Okay, you can see maybe the useful links, and you can share this video for all your friends and all HTC users. I think this ROM is very amazing because this is the first one with as much tweaks, and you have to test it. I really like it. This is very smooth, and I think I will use it more and more for every day. Okay, I have just to show you the benchmark. I have taken screenshots about that just to haven't to see that again. So let's go to see the benchmark for the Antutu benchmark. This is this one. Okay, and the codon test is this one, 4,768. So this is something cool, and I really like this one. And oh yes, I have to show you something else. Maybe this is about the battery. I have used it maybe for 30 minutes or something like that. Yes, 1 hour, and you can see in 1 hour I have maybe left less than 15%, and I have used it non-stop, and so this is just amazing. Okay, so this is a very smooth and stable ROM, very fast, and you can recommend it for all your friends. And let's go to see what you can do with it, and send us all your background and your screenshot to the XDA thread. Thanks to have seen this video. Thanks for the Venom Venom Team and all people using that. It's Flo.